Что, народ, всем доброе утро. Оказывается, знаете что? Чтобы посещать Нагаленд, нужно сделать специальный пермит тоже. Это здесь они внедрили с 2025 года. А раньше такой темы не было. Называется... Вы, наверное, видели мою серию про Арунчал Прадеш. Называется PAP. Когда иностранцы приезжают в Нагаленд или в Арунчал, или в Мизорам, вот в эти вот штаты, они обязаны уведомить ФРОшников, то, что они здесь, и причину назвать свою, сколько они дней здесь будут находиться. Вот такая вот тема. А я об этом не знал. А мне все говорят, типа, сделай этот пермит и зарегистрируйся. Вот, поэтому я сейчас я вам расскажу, чем эта история закончится и как это уведомить. Но это надо в полицейский участок вроде как ехать. И там с ними общаться. Так что мы сейчас поедем. Вот, остановился в отеле за 640 рупий. 644 рупия. Через приложение, называется оно Make My Trip. Там скидки были огромные, вот. Поэтому все отлично у нас. С добрым утром, ребят. Да уж, давненько мы в Димапуре не были. Год прошел, как мы здесь были. И сейчас я вам покажу, что тут на улицах происходит. Это пипец. А вон чел, который этот дрон продает. Ха-ха, прикол. Смотрите, это маркет area, и тут вообще жесть на дорогах. I was here 1 year before. The same things. 4 o'clock. Да. Вот этот чел, да? Да, сейчас водный инструктаж по запуску дрона. Говорит, что тут аэропорт недалеко, и поэтому, нужно быть более осторожным, прежде чем запускать его. Да, вон, кстати, у него где-то вот здесь вот. Вот эта коробка. Такая коробка. Чик. Да, мы куда-то едем, вот. Outside едем.
It's going good or not?
Yeah, it's going, bro. Going on. Так, ну что, сейчас будем тестить дрон. Сумочка классная. Nice bag.
This is the...
Да.
Put this thing here.
Yeah, behind, yeah. I saw that in videos, they show me. Bro, maybe let's go under the tree. Yeah? Офигеть, тут козы какие-то, мусора столько, пипец. Ха. Да, village life.
At least we have people, we have audience.
Да, nice. So first we remove that covers.
2 covers, even here. We have to
Then
do
we put
slowly.
out. And in back side. And you just press one and then you press second like long time. It's nice, don't need to put phone,
Yeah,
for screen.
you need Wi-Fi to do this. Huh?
Son, why you got this drone?
I did for my project. Now that the project is shut down, no?
Is this off-road,
Yeah.
making road or what?
I go to places like Northeast, I travel, no? So now the work is already gone, so I don't need a drone anymore. I had Insta360 also, even that I've solved. Yeah.
Ого.
Through your phone.
Угу.
Your phone is the hotspot.
Connection hotspot. For map.
It's already connected. You have to connect your name and it's done, no? Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how we do it.
Mm-hmm. Down.
Okay? Because this is an airplane zone. That's why you're not allowed to go more than 60 meters. So this should be very careful. If you cross the limit, what happens is that your license will go off. There will be a call coming from maybe from the aviation. That's what you have to report to the ministry. So that you have to be very careful. So in hill area, that's fine. But in plain area, make sure it shouldn't be in the airport areas.
Which lessons you say?
Most like Dimapur, this is the landing area, no? So like these places, and if Guwahati, you should never be near the airport area. In the city, it's okay. Take the if you're careful, you can just take one permission from the police. I'm going to fly a drone for my own purpose for the city, just minute. That's all. Then because you are safe also, and then let's go out.
Все, дрон улетел. Офигеть, там видите он. Nice view.
Evening, there are a lot of people here. They will come and do jogging and all that. So this is go down. This one, no?
Mm-hmm.
This, and if you do like this, it will go up. Okay. And this is to zoom. Zooming.
Mm-hmm.
This is zoom out. And if you're going to turn, you can turn slowly. And we're going to go forward, you can go forward. You want to take up and go. Okay.
It's crazy, like movie, right?
Yeah. Work is going on, so it's good.
Nice.
We can easily locate our home. H means home, so that's where we are.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw this car. It's home. You go by yourself home, or you just
You
put
can
something?
you can also click. You can just click.
This?
Yeah, here. If you just say return to home, it will come back home. So it's option. But do it manually. Sometimes it will go up and then it will take some time, no? That's all. This one?
But you broke something, you say, or?
Oh, this one, yes. I have changed this one. This rubber, see, it's a new one.
But how it's happened?
No, actually, if it's 1 year above, no, when it because of sun, heat, and all, no, the rubber becomes soft, and then when this becomes affected, that's why I change it.
I'm also saw this don't need to dry in the rain. And
No, it should not. If you dry in the fly in the rain, inside there's a chip, no, it will get burned.
Yeah, that's what.
So it should not never fly in the rain. And then one press, and done. That's all. And if you're closing also, this way, okay, this way.
Yeah, first from
This
back.
way. Yeah, okay. And then slowly, and bring all these things together like this. So when it's done, take this
Cover.
cover. Let's finish.
Gimbal?
Yeah. There's a gimbal here. There's a gimbal in this. But this gimbal is very important. It's very expensive. So don't anything.
Always cover.
Yeah. Protect the gimbal always. Keep it safe. And keep it on this direction side. You hold it slowly like this. There was one more guy who was asking, shall we meet today? I said, no, I'm sorry, this only guy is coming for this already. And he has already paid tickets for this. So I cannot
Yeah, it was a long journey. Even I'm not in hotel before. Jesus.
Just before I started, he texted me all like even yesterday, all like he gave me a message. I really need this, bro. And even our name will go down. We Indians, if we're not allowed to do that, they have to respect.
It's your first drone or it's
No, it's my second drone.
second? Wow.
After I bought the first drone, I used it and I sold to my friend, and I bought this one.
So there was pro version, large.
There was DJI Mini 2,
Mini,
and this one was DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm not now interested to fly drone anymore because you need time. But if you're a YouTuber, it's very important. I would say.
Yeah. Okay, bro. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.